thinking you're, I'm good enough, staying in your comfort zone, and just overconfident. So let's talk about it. Don't forget to check out my website and follow me on Instagram. So people think they're good enough all the time. So because of that, they stop learning. So Champ U, Yamaha Champions Riding School, they just developed an online course, 40 plus videos by current professional racers who also ride on the street. It's absolutely awesome. You can watch it anywhere in the world. So if you think you're good enough, you're like, oh, I'm okay, you're not. With that attitude alone, you're probably still a white belt no matter how long you've been riding. Keep on taking courses, read more books, magazine articles, etc. Just keep learning. Get out of your comfort zone. So I forgot who said this, but maybe you could let me know in the comments. A ship in port is safe, but that's not what ships are built for. So go do different things outside of your comfort zone. I don't care if you ride a cruiser bike your whole life. Go play in the dirt. Go take a supermoto class. Go ride trials, flat track, do a track day. Do some MotoGymkhana stuff. Sign up for a MotoGymkhana course they have going on. Go to your parking lot and try some MotoJitsu drills. Go ride in the Twissies. Borrow other buddies' bikes. You ride a cruiser your whole life, jump on an adventure bike. Try out a sport bike for a day. Go on long distance stuff and a bunch of other things you could do. But don't just stay inside your bubble, right? It might be comfortable to you, but you're missing out on the world. There's so much more you could experience and do, and it will broaden your skill and understanding as a whole, right? So get out of that comfort zone. Last, there's a lot of riders who are both overconfident and incompetent. And plenty of examples online of people who are these two damn things. They think they're absolutely awesome, but they're not. And you can just see it. People just crash all the damn time because they think they're amazing. Then they blame everything in the world besides their lack of skill, obviously. Because my goal in life is to get home every day without crashing. And not many people can say that. And this is another big myth. Just because you've been riding a certain number of years, and just because you have a certain number of miles, that does not equal good skill or you have a vast amount of knowledge. Just because you graduate medical school does not mean you're Dr. House.